So this is euro dollar analysis for Friday the 27th of July. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So we've seen prices fell in around 1740. We're unable to hold support at 1728. We've seen prices trade through the 1660s here. We've come down towards the 1640s and we do appear to be building a bit of a base. So we might see a counter trend move here to the upside. Test 1680 where we do have the 200 period moving average. Slightly above that in around the 1690s we do have the 400 period moving average. So we might see a retracement. If we do encounter resistance around these moving averages, looking for a retest of 1640, break down towards that 1612 if we can. If we're not able to hold support at 1660s, looking for a breakdown towards our 1612, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, 1578 may come into focus. And if we do have a rather volatile day, which brings us beyond the 1578, we'd expect the far end of the range to be in around that 1554 here to the downside. If, however, we don't encounter resistance in around the dynamic levels of the 200 and 400 period moving averages, looking for a test of that 1710, successful break from which we're then looking for a move towards that 1728, pretty much this area where we previously encountered resistance. And if we do have volatility, if we do have a rather volatile day, which brings us beyond the 1728, the very next level of note is this 1771 here on the euro dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. And here on this daily chart we can see that we've been in a narrow range for a couple of days now. Kind of narrow, right? Yeah, it's fairly narrow. We've been range bound for the past couple of days now. Slash weeks here on the euro dollar. We're not able to hold higher price above 1728. And we've not seen a meaningful breakdown beyond the SA 1640. So we continue to trade within that range, so we'll see whether we do see that break to the upside, somewhat counter to the previous trend, but we have built a bit of a base. We do have a series of higher lows, so if we can break out above 1728 and 1721, we'll then looking for moves up towards our 1830 and possibly up towards our 1862 here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.